Moens are my favorite, but what I don't like is the back of these. Because when you set these against a piece of wood, you have these little ridges right here, and it doesn't sit flush against the wood. And you have the two screw holes right here and then right here. You kind of have to tighten them equally, and it just sometimes it'll pull it this way a little bit, it'll pull it that way a little bit, it might pull it down. I just wish they would make this completely flush, and then I guess I feel like they could make 4 holes on this. I don't know, but this little thing really screws it up from sitting nice and flush, and I never feel like it gets a nice solid connection to the wood, you know. But what do I know? I've only installed about 100 of these. But what I love about Moen, and maybe Delta has this too, I'm not sure, is these extension kits. They have 1 inch, I think, and yeah, this is 1 inch, and this is 2 inch. It allows you to extend this, and extend this. See the difference? After it's cooled, you can stick this back in. I think I tell this story every time I install one of these, but one time I installed this valve, and I put these in right here, and I guess this clip was not in properly, and I had the water company guy actually just happened to be there. I was like, "Hey dude, could you turn the water on for me?" Like, yeah. He turns it on really fast, way faster than I would, and for whatever reason it caused this to blow out just a little bit. It didn't come off, but water was shooting from the bottom. I was like, turn the water off, turn the water off. And luckily there was a garage beneath, and it wasn't that bad. A little water got into the ceiling, but yeah, so I'm always very cautious when putting these back in. There she is. I'll tell you what's going on with it. So I replaced the cartridge the other day, and at first they weren't getting any hot water. It was just lukewarm. And then I replaced the cartridge, cleaned everything, cleaned the valve body out, everything, replaced the cartridge. Now they're only getting super hot water. So basically they said, just replace the damn valve. We're tired of dealing with this stupid thing. So shut off is kind of in a not ideal spot here. It doesn't look like it, but this is an extremely steep hill. You got the shut off right here. There you go. Of course, I can't remember how I got this off of here. That cap pops off. Okay. And then that, and there's your old valvey. That's a new cartridge, brand new. Okay, everything's reamed and sanded. And look, this may be a perfect example of where I need to use an extension, because this is not going to be far enough out of the wall. It might be, but instead of removing all of this and trying to redo it, you want to just work with what you got and fasten the valve to this. You might have to use a extension. Let me show you. Yeah, this likely will not stick out far enough. But we'll see. We'll see about that. All right, so I got the riser. Got it marked, insertion depths. And then for the tub spout, got that insertion depth. Then we got a 6.5 inch piece. Like so. Slip coupling, that goes down, and then I need 2 hands, but okay, that's set. That set the valve in place. I can still spin it a little bit like that, but I haven't pressed anything yet. I'm gonna pipe this up first. There she is. When I press this, I'm gonna have to kind of hold it so it stays straight, about like that. Same with this. They didn't really strap them up there. Let's press away. Done. I have to strap these. All right, I haven't tightened everything down yet because I gotta test it, but that's how you do it, using an extension. It's a 1-inch extension and it's perfect. Perfect scenario for this particular shower valve install. Water's back on. Getting nice and hot. Oh yeah. Steamy. Cleveland Steamery. Nice and cold. Like your ex-girlfriend's heart. That's it. I just gotta tighten this set screw right there.